Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open grok.com. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. You can either sign up with your X account, with your email, with your Apple account, or with your Google account. It's completely up to you. But for this video, I'll go with my Google account. So click on it and complete the sign up process. After successfully logging in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on Imagine from the left sidebar. Here you can create AI images, AI videos, and AI chat. But for this tutorial, I'll go with videos. So click on it. Above, you need to enter a prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Grok AI. Underneath, you can choose the video resolution, duration of the video, whether you need audio or not, and aspect ratio of the video as well. And finally, hit the submit button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up for Grok AI using your personal X account, personal email address, Apple account, or personal Google account. It's completely up to you. But with this free tool, without a subscription, you can only create one free AI video per account, depending on the video setting you choose. And if you want to create more than one video or generate longer video content, I suggest using a temporary email service to sign up. Once your generation limit is reached with one account, you can sign up again using a different email address and get another free generation. You can also use different Google accounts to sign up and get additional free generations. This way, you can continue generating AI videos as long as the platform continues offering its current free generation system or until it becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video with Grok AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.